Welcome to NBGI. Myself Gyanen Singh, class 10th, subject biology. Today I teach you respiratory system in human. First, I teach you the definition of respiration. Respiration is all enzymatic reactions held in living cells which oxidize organic substances by the oxygen release energy and carbon dioxide called respiration. This is a process of metabolic activities. So catabolic process, respiration is a catabolic process. Because of metabolic process is two types, anabolism and catabolism. So the respiration is a catabolic process. It is a figure of respiratory system. The human respiratory systems having nostrils, pharynx, trachea, bronchioles, bronchus and bronchioles, and main respiratory parts organ of left and right lungs. So then the respiratory system, human beings like others land animals are air breathers. Lungs are the main respiratory organs in human beings. The mode of respiration in human beings is called pulmonary respiration. Nostrils, the tip of the nose has two nostrils, two nasal passages with having fine hairs. These hairs filter the air and protect the foreign particles. These passages lined of mucus layers. These mucus layer restricts the foreign particles and also moists the air. After this, the terminal cartilage, terminal bones are present. With air passes with the terminal bones, the air temperature of the air is equal to the body temperature. Then it passes through the pharynx. It is about 5 inch long spacious space which receive both nasal cavity and oral cavity. A pharynx lead into the esophagus and trachea. This opening of trachea is called glottis. It is guaranteed by the cartilaginous lid called epiglottis. The glottis normally remains open during food swallowing and gets covered by the epiglottis to prevent entry the food in trachea. So when we respire, the epiglottis close the esophagus, and when the swallowing the food, it close the tracheal mouth. Then you see the picture of the lungs, and it is having the frontal part of the trachea it is a broad, it is called larynx. Larynx is made up of 9 cartilaginous plates. When the resonance occurs in these plates, the voice produce. So it is called voice box. Below it, the pipe-like structures, it is called trachea. It is made up of 16 to 20 C-shaped cartilaginous rings. These rings, because of absence of oxygen, the trachea does not collapse to each other. The trachea bifurcated in two parts These goes to the lungs. It is called bronchus, and these bronchi, it is also divided into fine ducts. It is called bronchioles. These bronchioles lie to the areoli with the lungs. Lungs, these are situated in the abdominal cavity, right and left. Left lungs having 2 lobes and right lungs having 3 lobes. So lungs are spongy, pink colors structures. In outer surface, it is lined by the thin membrane. It is called pleura. Lungs, internally, we say the lungs having the many sac-like structures. These are called alveoli. These are alveoli. So these are 2 balloon-shaped like structures which are the primary organs of respiration. These are present in the thoracic cavity on the either side of the heart. Each lungs are enclosed with the cover called pleura. The left lungs has 2 lobes and right lungs have 3 lobes. Internally, the lungs contain many branches called bronchioles and small ducts, respiratory and alveolar ducts. The terminal end of these ducts open into the millions of the small, delicate balloon-like structure called alveoli. The alveoli are highly vascular, supplied with the blood capillaries. These walls are very thin and forms respiratory surface of the exchange of gases. So this is the respiratory system of the human. That's all. Okay.